Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I've got some adorable Christmas stamps from our friends at Penny Black. Always have the cutest things. So let me go through these. Adorable Snowman, Kindness and Joy is the name of this one. Choir Kids, Jingle Friends, Skating By, Sweetest Christmas, Snowfield Friends, Artful Greetings, and Scarved Sweeties. Let me show you what my friend Debbie did with these today. So this adorable card, let me see, she combined several of these. Excuse me. So for this one, she used Sweetest Christmas and also that adorable little snowman. And she used a die cut card. This is the triple step card from hot off the press. And there's 5 cards and 5 envelopes in this package. The triple step can be placed like here. Okay, so it can be done like this. So it opens this way. Oops, I just get my folds right. There we go. And fold it like this, and it comes pre-folded. It was just accidentally folded the wrong way there. And you can open it like this, or you can open it like this, okay? And Debbie covered this card with the 6x6 Snowfall paper pack, which is new from hot off the press. And she also likes to use this great collection of tri-blend markers from Spectrum Noir. And if you look in here, you get 26 pieces, but that's actually like 72 markers, okay? So it's an investment. This is like a Christmas list thing, but you get so many different colors of markers in here, really all of the big ones. And you'd have everything you need. Now, if you don't want to make that big of an investment in your markers, you can also buy them, oops, at Paper Wishes individually, okay? If you're not familiar with tri-blend markers, they are an alcohol ink marker, and there's 3 markers in one. There's a dark, a mid or medium, and the light. And you just pull them off like this, and they're great for blending. They're actually, I think, effortless when you're blending them because they're the same color, just in different shades. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit of that in a minute. So anyway, she used those markers to color her cute little snowman. Here she used the gray just around the edges. I should also mention, when using markers, you want to use alcohol-proof ink. Also, Memento ink pad is a great one to have. Both of these are carried at Paper Wishes. And what she did, she stamped those on white cardstock, and then she did her coloring with her tri-blend markers. So she outlined this little guy with gray and then just colored him in. And same with the house. One of Debbie and my favorite colors is the golden brown blend. And it's responsible for this adorable gingerbread house, and it's just got a great, nice, warm tan color that goes from a dark to a light. So just brilliant. We love that one. All right, let's show you some more. Oh, also, Debbie made these brilliant little ornaments. So for these ornaments, she used this artful evergreens right here, this adorable little Christmas tree. And I'm kind of having to match these up. This is the Scarved Sweeties right here. And then she just used the little holiday, the little presents and the little holly there as well. So if you're not familiar with the chipboard circles, these are from hot off the press. You can get them at Paper Wishes. And there's a 3-inch scalloped circle, 3.5-inch scallop, and a 3-inch wide, just plain circle. And they're great for either stamping on individually. You can use dazzle stickers on them. They're great. And you can also layer them one on top of the other like that. So these are fantastic year-round, really. She also added a little red ribbon to those. This is the red ribbon set. I use that a lot this time of year. And then this card, this is just adorable. This one uses that same artful evergreens with the tree here, but you'll notice that the little trunk of the tree, I was going to say stem, the trunk of the tree right here is extended. And Debbie showed me how she did that, and I'm going to show you today how you do a little masking to extend that. So what we're going to do is a little piece of paper. If you're not familiar with this, this is a Misty stamping platform that is just perfect for this kind of project. All right, so Debbie said when she did this, she stamped it once and then she used a lot of like Post-it notes and things to mask that off to get her trunk to cooperate. So let's give it a try. All right, so she used alcohol proof. This is a rustic brown ink because she did color in that trunk a little bit. We stamp a lot with black ink, but it is nice to switch it up and use brown. It's just a little softer. I like to do that especially during the fall and the winter months. All right. Go, and now she said she took some Post-it notes. She masked off what she already stamped so that she wouldn't stamp that again. Okay, so we're going to do this. And the good news is that we can just continue to use our Post-its really all the way down the tree. All right, now we're going to reposition this. Line that trunk right up there. Oops. And I'm going to ink this in again. Now we just have to really worry about inking the trunk. All right, there you go. So, oops, I should have masked in a little bit closer, but you get the general idea. I did have a little couple specks there. So she just elongated that trunk in that way, which I thought was really clever, and added a little bit of ribbon and some Jewel Dazzle stickers. These are just red Jewel Dazzle stickers, and we like to use our little retractable knife and just pull these off, sort of pluck them off like this, and then you can just add those very easily, just like this. And she put them in little clusters. I'm going to add a few little singles to that, just like this. And it just doesn't take long at all to do that. There we go. Just tap them down. And then she also went and added a little gingham bow to the center. Now these little guys, she went ahead and stamped twice. She stamped them once, and then she stamped them again on another piece of paper and used her little scissors and just cut out those elements and used a little bit of foam tape on there to give those a little bit of lift. Same here with the little bench. And the little bench, she went to a little extra effort here and used that retractable knife to cut in between the little slats there. And I thought that was adorable. And look at that, a darling lantern as well. So cute, and she does such a great job. So this card right here uses this cute little, find it here, this little set here, the Snowfield Friends has the cute little tree and the fox and the little Santa bag, but also she added Santa and his reindeer right here, and she created this beautiful background, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I've got my craft mat here. Gonna make a bit of a mess. All right, and we're going to take, she used slim line cards, which if you're not familiar with these, they're a great size. They're 8.5 by 3.5 inches, and we sell them in packs of 10 at Paper Wishes, and they also come with the coordinating envelope, so you don't have to try to source that size. And it's a really popular size right now. So she told me she used 3 colors of Harmony ink, and Harmony inks are water reactive, so They are great for blending and then adding a little spritz of water to, and that's how she got those little flecks on there. So I'm going to use some blender brushes here. Here we go. And blender brushes are wonderful for applying your inks. And also there's this great tool called a splatter brush, and this is from Ranger Inks, and we're going to go ahead and start with, I like to do the lightest color. I like to put these in order here, so we're going to start with the lightest color first, which is the Oasis. And you can see here that she went kind of leaving the center part a little less ink. So we're going to start with the lightest color inks and then work our way out. She also did some brown at the bottom. So we have our seal brown for the bottom. I should probably start with that first. Just along that bottom edge. All right, now we're done with that part. All right, and then I like to start off the edge. Sometimes I just tap that extra ink so I don't get some blots on my paper. But you can also just start off the edge and then go onto the paper surface. I'm only actually going to do one side of this card because of the time. All right, so there's our Oasis. And then we're going to go to the Ocean Blue. And just kind of working my way into the next color. This one's Lagoon. Okay, getting a little darker there. You see she put a lot of Lagoon kind of towards the center. And then this is the Midnight. Heavy on the Midnight in the corners. All right, there we go. Then take a little bit of water here. You can take a misting bottle. You can just go over this in kind of short little sprays to do that. You can also just put a little bit of water right here, dip that into your little splatter brush, and then you're just going to be pulling back those bristles. Do it on the side, like that. And that little snap gives you that look. And if you just take a dry paper towel, dry tissue, and just blot that, you get these great little splotches that look a little bit like snow or even a starry night. All right, so that's the technique for that. I wanted to make sure you guys were aware of our money saver on these dies. If you're watching us on our vlog page on Paper Wishes, you just look over to the right-hand side and you'll see a photo, and just click on that and you'll find the money saver. And if you're watching us on YouTube, look below the video in the description box and you'll find the links to the Money Saver special, as well as a link to paperwishes.com. You can find lots more videos and lots of fun things to play with. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.